Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add items to your Steam Workshop collection. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Hover your mouse over Community, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Workshop. This will take you to the Steam Workshop page where you can explore all the available user-created content for your games. Now you can browse through the results to see what's available, or if you have something specific in mind, use the search bar in the right panel to find exactly what you're looking for. This search function makes it easy to narrow down your options and discover the perfect mods for your collection. Once you've found a workshop you're interested in, click on it to open the page. Take your time browsing through their mods until you find one that catches your eye. When you've decided on a mod you'd like to add, click on it to view more details. Next, click Add to Collection. This is where you'll organize your favorite mods into a single place for easy access. A message will pop up on your screen. If you don't have a collection yet, you'll see a hyperlink that says Here. Click on that hyperlink to create your first collection. Now, enter your collection title in the designated field. Choose a name that clearly describes what kind of mods you're collecting so you can easily identify it later. After that, select a branding image by clicking Choose File. Browse through your files, select the image you want to represent your collection, and click Open. This image will serve as the visual identity of your collection. Next, describe your collection in the text field. This description helps others understand what your collection is about and what kind of content they can expect to find. After that, select what kind of collection this is from the options that appear. This categorization helps organize your collection properly within Steam's system. Then select the categories by checking the boxes from the list. This step further refines how your collection is classified and makes it easier for others to discover. Once you've made your selections, click Save and Continue. Your collection is now created and your first mod has been added to it. If you want to add more items to your collection, hover your mouse over Community in the upper left corner again and select Workshop. Browse through the workshop results or use the search bar in the right panel to find additional content. Click on your preferred workshop or mod and then click Add to Collection. This time you can select your existing collection from the list that appears. And that's it! You've successfully created a Steam Workshop collection and added items to it, making it easy to organize and access your favorite mods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.